Your homework, this is actually super important homework. I want you to start creating playlists. I want you to have 3 playlists. One playlist is music that just makes you excited and makes you want to dance. So like all of those times where you are like, oh, I don't feel like practicing. People think that practicing means grinding out new moves. I don't think that's true. That's a type of practice, but another type of practice is just flowing with the moves that you already know in the context of use it or lose it, which we've talked about before. If you aren't using it, you don't keep a relationship with it. So music that makes you want to move is the kind of music that's great for use it or lose it practice or for flow practice. Then you want to have a second playlist that has music that has a good set of tempos for different kinds of movements that you're trying to do. So if, for example, you're somebody who likes to go fast and you want to slow yourself down, you can find some music that's slightly slower where you can be hitting the beat every time with the poi, bum, 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 you know, as opposed to bum, 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 you know, Flight of the Bumblebees or whatever. And then the third type of music is, and there may be overlap between the first playlist, but the third type is things you can imagine yourself performing to, or things you wish you could imagine yourself performing to, because those are not always the same thing. Sometimes you're like, man, that'd be awesome to perform to, but I don't know if I can do it. That's almost even a better kind of song to have on that list. That's the kind of thing that you'll use later when you decide that you want to actually do a little video for Instagram maybe, and you're like, yeah, I know, I'll get into it. And I think having those 3 different playlists will help you. And your mission this week is to practice with music as opposed to not, so that you can get out of your inner voice and start hearing with your ears. When you're practicing to music is to listen to the music. Write that down. Really listen to the music. It's so easy to just zone out and not be in connection with the music. Listen to the music.